Your AI just took an action. You never asked for it. At first, that sounds like a bug. But the real story is bigger than a bug. AI is moving from tools you use to systems that act. To understand this shift, we need to talk about AI agents. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot. You ask a question, it answers. But an agent is different. It doesn't just answer, it can act. Open apps, click through steps, call tools, like a digital assistant running errands for you. Before we continue, a quick mini class. These are 4 concepts you'll hear a lot in AI systems. First, token. Think of it like a temporary visitor badge. Whoever holds the badge can enter. Second, sandbox. A separate space where experiments run safely. If something breaks, it stays inside. Third, permission scope. It defines which doors your badge can open, like installing parts you didn't build yourself useful until one part fails. Fourth, third-party tools. Now back to OpenClaw. Researchers disclosed a security vulnerability. Under certain conditions, a web page could influence an AI agent, not by hacking the system directly, but by interacting with the agent's workflow. The agent reads information, then it decides what to do. And finally, it acts, sometimes faster than humans notice. That's why this vulnerability mattered. Not because of one tool, but because of how systems connect, tools start linking together, workflows start forming, and eventually, systems emerge. This is the real shift in AI. AI is no longer just tools. Traditionally, cybersecurity focused on data. The question was simple. What data could someone steal? But agents introduce a new question. What actions could the system take? Sending emails, managing files, even booking travel. That power changes the security model because permissions become power and system design becomes security design. So the question becomes practical because AI systems don't just think anymore, they act. AI agents are starting to run real workflows, sending emails, updating documents, even managing schedules. These systems can save time. They can remove repetitive work, but they also introduce new risks because these systems don't just process information. They can act in the real world. Let's keep this fair. Open source is not the problem. Automation is not the problem either. The real challenge is system design. Who controls the actions? And how much power they have. Because in the age of AI agents, security means controlling actions.